Food and medication. On April 24th, Governor Newsom announced the launch of a first-in-the-nation Great Plates Delivered program, a meal delivery service for California's older adults. The Great Plates Delivered program is a home meal service for seniors, and the purpose of the new Great Plates Delivered program is twofold: to provide meals to adults 65 and older and adults 60 to 64 who are at high risk as defined by the CDC and who are unable to access meals while staying at home and are ineligible for other nutrition programs, and to also support local restaurants and other food provider agricultural workers, and to support owners who have closed or are struggling to remain open due to COVID-19 mitigation tactics. The program will be administered by the Riverside County Office on Aging, or the County of Riverside. Riverside County is currently accepting inquiries from the public and businesses interested in participating in the Great Plates program. Please check the Riverside County Office on Aging website daily to check the status of the program, that it has changed to active as it's currently pending. If you are a food business and have a delivery system in place, simply complete the interest form found on the Riverside County Office on Aging's website and indicate your delivery area in the message section. If you are an individual with a high-risk condition, please review the eligibility criteria and complete the interest form at Riverside County Office on Aging's website to see if you qualify. Again, an overview of the Great Plates Delivered program for individual enrollment. People who are 65 or older or between the ages of 60 and 64 and are at high risk as defined by the CDC, including individuals who are COVID-19 positive as documented by a state, local public health official or medical health professional, individuals who have been exposed to COVID-19 as documented by a state, local public health official or medical health professional, or individuals with an underlying health condition. Another condition that must be met is that individuals must live alone or with one other program eligible adult. Program costs will be limited to $66 for 3 daily meals, including delivery. Individuals must affirm an inability to prepare or obtain meals. Once deemed eligible, the individual will provide the necessary operational information such as address, any dietary restrictions, etc. Participating individuals will be provided 3 meals prepared daily. Participants must not be currently receiving assistance from other state or federal nutrition assistance programs. Participants must earn no more than 600% of the federal poverty limit. The Great Plates Delivered food program for food providers. To support the governor's intent for economic stimulus, local administrators such as the County of Riverside will select multiple local food providers for participation in the program and will arrange for contracts, purchase orders, or other appropriate agreements in accordance with FEMA procurement guidelines. Food providers may range from local licensed restaurants to include those in hotels, as well as licensed kitchens operated within airports and other entities. Locally sourced produce and meats are encouraged. The intent of Great Plates Delivered is to support local food vendors by stimulating the local economy, requiring 100% of meals be supplied by a food provider not currently participating in a standing state or federal meal service program. The food provider meals must meet the following nutritional requirements. Breakfast must be low in sodium with no sugary drinks, or less than 24 grams of sugar per 8-ounce cup, and of fruit juice, it must only be 100% fruit juice. The same goes for lunch and dinner, a piece of fresh fruit or vegetable on each dish, and a low in sodium, no sugary drinks, again, less than 24 grams per 8-ounce cup, and fruit juice must be only 100% fruit juice. And some of the requirements are these. That the local food provider meet volume and nutritional standards and meet the cultural and other meal needs of program participants. Additional considerations may include if the food provider sources locally or prioritizes food provided by California-based farms or ranches, whether the local food provider hires locally, whether the local food provider prioritizes local jobs, worker retention, and worker health and safety, and promotes standards of equity and fairness in employment practices, wages, hiring, and promotion. Those might be additional considerations. Food security. Sorry. Let's go to that. Pardon me. CalFresh, sometimes called SNAP or food stamps, issues monthly food benefits on an EBT card that can be used to buy most foods at most grocery stores and farmers markets. People and families with low income can apply for CalFresh anytime. If you have a change in income, even a temporary one because of the coronavirus, you can apply for CalFresh food benefits. Beginning April 28th, people getting CalFresh food benefits can use their EBT card to buy groceries online at Amazon and Walmart statewide. Families with children who are eligible for free or reduced price meals will get extra food benefits to help buy food when schools are closed due to COVID-19. These food benefits are called pandemic EBT or PEBT benefits. Families can get up to $365 for each child who is eligible for PEBT benefits. The total amount depends on how many eligible children are living in your home. Students can still pick up to-go meals even if they are receiving PEBT benefits. Pandemic EBT benefits will be available for eligible families beginning May 20th. Most families will get their PEBT card in the mail during the month of May. Families with children who are eligible for free or reduced price meals and who do not get CalFresh Medi-Cal or foster care benefits must apply online before June 30th, 2020. The online application will launch in late May. Grab-and-go meals will also be available through Coachella Valley Unified School District during the COVID school closure. The California Department of Education has also created an app called California Meals for Kids to help families locate meals. The SNAP program. The president has signed HR 6201, the Families First Coronavirus Act, including pandemic EBT, which will prevent hunger among children during school closures. We are grateful for the several provisions in this bill that will provide flexibility in SNAP and additional anti-hunger resources, and look forward to implementing the new law in California with the Department of Social Services and County Human Services agencies. Coachella Valley Unified School District is also serving breakfasts and lunches between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Mondays and Wednesdays only. The following school sites and addresses are places where families may pick up grab-and-go meals. The Fine Food Bank is also distributing food at these various locations: Bagduma Park and Community Center, Peter Pendleton Elementary School, Cesar Chavez Elementary School, Cesar Chavez Villas, Centro Libre, Fish, and the Family Worship Center. Coachella Valley Rescue Mission is still serving meals from their kitchen to the clients who live on their campus. They are serving the public with to-go meals, currently not allowing the public to come in for the market run, but they are giving food boxes to the public on Wednesdays. Meals on Wheels is also delivering freshly made meals daily to that are to be reheated in a microwave or an oven to participate, for people who are eligible to participate. And those would be 60 and over that are homebound due to illness, disability, or isolation. Meals can be delivered on a temporary or permanent basis. Below you will see some free home delivery services for medications. Walgreens, beginning March 13, 2020, began waiving delivery fees for all eligible prescriptions during this evolving situation. There will be free delivery on any purchase on walgreens.com beginning March 13, 2020, and until further notice, with no minimum purchase required. CVS Pharmacy, beginning March 9th, will waive charges for home delivery of prescription medications. Heaven Heights Senior Care Facility is offering free grocery delivery and prescription pickup to any Coachella Valley senior citizen over the age of 65 for the next 2 months. They are available 24 hours, 7 days a week, and can be reached at 760-469-4999. The following are senior shopping hours available at select grocers in the city of Coachella. Smart and Final is offering senior shopping hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. And Food for Less daily from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., 60 and over only. The Walmart Neighborhood Market is reserving senior shopping hours for Tuesdays between 6 and 7 a.m. Cardenas Market daily between 7 and 8 a.m. And this resource here is extremely important to families. Childcare is being provided for essential workers. The Riverside County Office of Education Early Care and Education Division is providing needed childcare services for essential critical workers during the California state of emergency due to the threat of COVID-19. If you are classified as an essential worker and you are in need of childcare, please contact and be sure to identify yourself as an essential critical worker via email cclupdates@rcoe.us at 1-800-442-4927. A temporary state subsidized payment to assist with the cost of childcare services for children between the ages of birth to 13 is available through June 30th, 2020 to allow you to continue working during this time. The fee is paid directly to your childcare provider of choice. If services are needed beyond June 30th, 2020, families may apply and submit documentation to determine if they qualify for other state subsidized childcare services. Please note that services are authorized through June 30th, 2020, unless the state directive is ended sooner or extended.